All right, let's dedicate this one to your final exam as well. In the fall 2016 final exam, there was a problem much like this one on there. Find the equation of a line passing through some point that's parallel to some line. Okay, now I changed the numbers, I changed the point, and I changed the equation, but it was finding an equation line that was parallel to another line passing through a certain point. Okay, so we're going to look at that right now. So first of all, just find the slope. So I'm going to add 2x to both sides of this equation. So 4y equals 2x plus 3. Now I'm going to divide by 4. So y equals 2/4, which is 1/2. X plus 3/4. Now, we're looking at parallel. Parallel lines have the same slope. So the slope I'm after in this case is n with parallel bars here. That means I have a parallel slope of 1/2. That's what I'm going to use. Now, I'm going to use my point slope formula just because I like using it. And I'm going to plug in my slope that I just have of 1/2, my y1, which is 5/2, and x1, which is negative 3/4. And let's go wading through the fraction for us to see if we can figure this out. Y minus 5/2 equaling 1/2 times the quantity of x, negative, and negative is positive 3/4. So we'll go ahead and simplify this. At this point, I'll probably address the question. If you've been watching my videos, you see that I like to clear out my fractions, and you may be asking, well, why not clear it out here? I could. Well, why not? No, because I don't want to. Because it can get confusing for people, mainly because of this 1/2 and the negative and the 3/4 in parentheses. So I don't want to yet because of this 1/2 that's about to get distributed. So let me hold off on it just yet. So y minus 5/2 equals, I'll distribute 1/2 x plus 3/8. All right, now I'll go ahead and clear out that fraction. It'll be a lot easier since I don't have to contend with parentheses, because a lot of people would mess that up. I don't feel like showing where they would mess that up at this juncture. So my least common denominator here is going to be an 8. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 terms. So I'll multiply 3 by 8. And this is bugging me. If you really want to know why or how to multiply that out, and if you're watching this video, if you're one of my online students, just give me a buzz. Okay, I'll show you how individually. And if you're not one of my students and you just happen to bump under this video, well, ask somebody, they'll show you. Okay, 2 goes into this 8 4 times, this 2 goes into 8 4 times, and 8 goes into 8 once. So we're looking at 8y minus 4 times 5, which is 20, equals 4 times 1 times x, which is 4x, plus 1 times 3, which is 3. Fraction no more, that's what I wanted. All right, we're going after getting y by itself, so I'm going to add 20 to both sides. 8y equals 4y plus 23. Now we'll divide by 8. Here it is. Y equals 4/8, or 1/2 x, which, by the way, is a slope I wanted, plus 23/8. There you go. That is the equation of a line passing through the point negative 3/4 5/2, and it is parallel to that equation right over there.